For 2 years on remand pending prosecution for allegedly participating in the twin bombings that occurred in Kampala, the Director of Public Prosecutions has withdrawn charges of terrorism, which were earlier leveled against the 5 suspects out of the 19 suspects in the Kampala twin bombing.
So, in the absence of any other charges against the accused persons A6, A7, A10, A8, and A9, following the withdrawal of charges filed by the DPP, the accused persons are forthwith set free. The amended indictment filed by the DPP to take into account changes following the withdrawal against the accused person is accordingly admitted on court record.
The released persons include Nachitende Sharon, Zam Naiga, Nadamba Shamira, Nanfuka Aaron, and Nakato Anet. Prosecution led by Thomas Giatiko. The DPP's office didn't give any reason for withdrawing the charges against the 5.
The prosecution has undertaken to file this nolle prosequi before this honorable court. In that breath, the prosecution has also filed an amended indictment that is before this honorable court.
The accused, who are represented by their lawyer Anthony Ansimwe, didn't object to the prosecution's prayers.
Compensation is another issue altogether. Of course, those are the deeper aspects we cannot go into, and it has also been subject of discussions before, where someone has been maliciously prosecuted, the state has taken you on. Remember, you are arrested as a suspect.
Thirdly, we have our colleagues, our clients who are still incarcerated, the boys. And they are many, they are more than 13, 14. We have to do everything possible. The best advice to the state and the best advice to also the DPP is to do the similar thing they have done to the ladies.
Judge Richard Wejiri Wabwire, after confirming the withdrawal of the charges against the accused by the DPP's office, court was overwhelmed with joy from the released persons and their relatives. Whereas the relatives of the early accused persons were also overwhelmed with joy, they shared their experience of losses they incurred, while their relatives stayed on remand.
Emyaka ebiri mingi abantu bangi nabo bafudde ennyumba gye yalimu nayo tetumanyi bingi byafiiriddwa n'ab'emikwano anti omanyi kasaba kugamba ebintu bya terrorism badduka buddusi
ate yabadde mukyala mukulu mu bonna ye mukyala omukulu nga talina kyamanyi talina kyakola ki abadde mukazi mukulu ye tetumanyi Mukama Katonda ye yamanyi kuba buli kimu kyonna kati kyafafaagana.
Although charges of aiding and abetting terrorism were withdrawn against Yusuf Muwonge, he wasn't released since he still stands 2 counts of terrorism and belonging to terrorist organization Allied Democratic Forces. Now the remaining accused persons in the twin bombing case include Yusuf Muwonge, Chiemba Ismail, Bogere Munil, Joko Bashiru Chiwanuka, Bachaita Hamza, Matiwa Mzafaru Ismail, Wambede Twaha, Nsubuga Faizo, Ishaka Jero, Chiriowa Jamada, Sebunya Asan, Musenguzi Sadiq, and Bumba Ama Deborah Namamonde. UBC News.